Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the amazing 1010 LED neon. This versatile 10 by 10 top view LED neon comes in standard lengths of 5 or 10 meters. But guess what? You can also customize it to fit your unique needs. Isn't that fantastic? One of the major advantages of the 1010 LED neon is its silicone exterior, which offers superior waterproofing. Plus, it's designed for longevity, resistant to yellowing and hardening over time. Now, let's dive into how to cut, solder, and assemble this wonderful neon strip. First, we'll use a soldering iron to carefully connect the LED board. Make sure every connection is secure for optimal performance. After soldering, it's time to test our light strip to ensure everything is functioning perfectly. Next, we'll gently slide the LED board into the silicone neon tube, creating a beautiful glowing effect. And there you have it. Let's light it up and see the magic. Whether it's for home decor, special events, or anything in between, the 1010 LED neon is the perfect choice for adding style and flair. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description to get your own 1010 LED neon today. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting products.